JK movable IC can resolve the error pop-up issue. Power on, and pops up important display message warning. Power off and take apart the new screen. Now let's grant the touch module of new screen. Since the touch module is located on the back of screen, and traditional soldering method would be easy to damage the screen. We use the numerical control machine to grant the module. Grant the module. Granting completed. Now, we are going to clean the module. Apply solder flux. Heat up soldering iron. And clean residual paste and black adhesive. Then use solder wick to clean. Clean with PCB cleaner. Touch module cleaning completed. Now need to replace the touch module of genuine screen onto the new screen. Place a piece of steel sheet under the genuine touch module flex. Stick the anti-heat polyimide tape. Set temperature of hot air gun to 300 degrees Celsius. Airflow free to heat. Touch module removal completed. Apply solder flux. Heat up soldering iron. And clean residual paste and black adhesive. Touch module cleaning completed. Use low temp solder paste to reball the touch module. Set temperature of hot air gun to 180摄氏度 Airflow 3 to heat. Reballing completed. Solder the touch module of genuine screen onto the new screen. Place a piece of steel sheet under the touch module. Stick the anti-heat polyimide tape. Apply appropriate amount of solder flux on touch module. Set temperature of hot air gun to 200 degrees Celsius. Airflow 3 to heat. Soldering. Cool down for 5 minutes after soldering. Tear the anti-heat polyimide tape to make installation test. Power on. Appear the non-genuine screen warning but then disappear automatically. Go settings general about. This is no non-genuine screen warning. And true tone perform normally. So does auto light sensor ALS. Tips: professional repair technique is required for the complicated operation, or you might damage the screen.